children in every classroom have life-threatening allergic responses to food. 15 million Americans. Our research provides hope for an entirely new treatment that can either prevent or possibly one day cure this disease. We are 99% microbial, and these bacteria have a really potent influence on all aspects of our physiology. So we've used our mouse models to show that these bacterial populations that live in our intestines have a critical role in regulating allergic responses to food and in protecting the lining of our intestines that separates us from the outside world.
Several of these isolators that the Nagler lab uses, we actually have different groups of microbes together in the mice, and we can compare them to healthy mice that have all of their bacteria, mice that have no bacteria, and get a sense for which bacteria are performing what functions to keep mice and consequently, we hope, humans healthy.
I've been working with curing mice of disease for 30 years. I'd like to now move on to curing people. What we found is that infants, even at 4 months of age, that have cow's milk allergy, have a composition of their intestinal bacteria, their microbiome, that's completely different from what you see in healthy children. We used fecal material from healthy infants or from allergic infants and transferred them each into germ-free mice. So now we've created humanized mice.
The platform that she's discovered, which is the first that will allow you to really test these treatments in a live animal model and move these potential treatments much more quickly towards clinical use, is a fantastic discovery.
It's mind-boggling. I can still hardly believe it. ClostraBio's approach is harnessing the power of the microbiome to prevent and treat disease. We hope to also isolate populations of bacteria that we can mix together as a drug-based treatment.
Cathy came as a first-time entrepreneur to the Polsky Center and was really trying to understand what the landscape looked like, what the steps even looked like to potentially start a company.
The name of the game today is going from idea to translation to commercialization. You can't find a more densely compact, world-class research institution with a medical center on one end and a business school on the other end that are feeding very unique ideas into this innovation pipeline.
I've been waiting 30 years to translate my work from the bench to the bedside, and the ITM and Innovation Exchange made that happen.